from the Used Car Factory. My name is Chuck Walker, and if you follow, you'll find out that every Friday I try to pick a feature vehicle just to, show you what we have down here. So this Friday, this is a 2018 Ford EcoSport. This is the first year that Ford came out with this EcoSport in the small SUV segment. So if you walk around here, I'd like to show you some of the exterior and interior features. First of all, you have blind spot monitoring. You can see it in the corner up there. If there's a vehicle next to you on the left or right, that little thing will light up so you know somebody's behind you. And this is a titanium model. You have heated leather seats. You got all your controls, your radio, your everything's right on the steering wheel. It's got a 7-inch touchscreen with Bluetooth, so you can make calls, receive calls, text messages, everything. Navigation. The navigation is also hands-free. You no longer have to pull over, put it in park to do it. You can actually do navigation as you're driving down. All right, you come around to the rear here. It is a small SUV segment, but you still have plenty of room for people to sit. It's got aluminum wheels on it. And you'll notice it's got an easy fuel. There's no more fuel caps. What you would do is just take the nozzle, put it right in. So you would never have any check engine lights on that when the stupid gas cap wasn't put on right. You come around to the rear. It does have a rear view camera. You can see the little lens right here. And it's really a clear picture in that large screen. One thing they changed, when this first came out, it took me a couple minutes to figure out how to get the lift gate open. Well, it's not a lift gate. It's actually a swing out gate right here. And the seats will fold down. If you need extra room, fold down just like that, and the other one will go right there with it. And it's actually a real pretty blue. If we were out in the sunlight, you would just see the sparkles coming through it and everything. I mean, the tires are brand new. And we've got this on sale this weekend for $16,499. So if you'd like to come down and see this one and all our other vehicles, my name's Chuck Walker. I'm at the Used Car Factory at 240-249-6800. And it's going to be nice out on Saturday. So come see me, please.